Hello guys, just a short one today. As I was approaching traffic, I decided to talk about this topic. And as you have seen me, I filter here in Portugal, but this is actually a grey area in Portugal. It's not legal. It's not codified on our code. But most bikers do it, and the police normally will not stop you for doing it. And why do I say normally? Because if they think that you are being unsafe, or that you are probably going to cause an accident, or if they just feel like it, they will stop you and they will ticket you. The reason they don't bother most of the time is because some of them are riders and they understand that bikes are in the middle of traffic is a dangerous proposition, so they allow you to do it. It's better to allow it than to try to catch everybody. What they don't tolerate and will catch you every time and give you a big ticket is if you use these kind of little berms on the highways to filter traffic. That will give you a ticket 100% of the time. If you go in the middle of the traffic and be safe about it, they will not ticket you most of the times. Just sometimes, depends on the cop. And that's it, guys. If you ever come to Portugal, you now know. You may filter, but your results may vary. See ya.